My name is Cindy Vega. I am a teacher of the blind, and I teach the keyboarding class.
Quinn Price, assistive technology instructor, and I teach the advanced technology or technology phase 2 class.
When I have a new student, we start out with a placement assessment to see what they know, if they maybe have typed before. Typing non-visually is a new experience for people. Then we work with Quinn on transitioning the client into Quinn's class. We work with our monitors off. We have a standard keyboard, and on this particular keyboard we have very little modifications, just a few little lock dots on some of the numbers for better orientation. We are using Windows 10. We're working in Microsoft Word, and we're using a screen reader called JAWS for Windows.
When folks come in here, my goal is to get them at least confident that they can do what we were talking about earlier, working in the workplace or becoming a student, or at least using their technology to better their lives and their personal lives. But another big component of the class is learning how to get around on the web, because that's where you gain a lot of your information. That's where you do research. It's where you shop, from using Microsoft Word to going and navigating a website, to adjusting settings on your computer. All of that is done through the keyboard, and we're receiving our output through text-to-speech. So we use different keystrokes to get that feedback from JAWS. There's no mouse used. Everything is done by doing a variety of keyboard shortcuts. JAWS typically outputs with speech, but it can also output to a device that displays the text in Braille electronically. So this is called a Braille e-reader. There are many varieties of these Braille displays of all kinds.
I'm thankful for the two best people in the world, Yadiel Sotomayor and Marty Langley. I'm grateful to them because they have helped in so many ways by teaching me to use my skills.
And that's one of the primary goals, is to get people to a point in which they can get to the web and start building their own knowledge on the foundation that we lay in the technology class. And that in turn enhances their lives.
So life skills, I teach, for example, shopping on the iPhone, making and receiving phone calls, and also just letting people, letting clients know that, hey, it's okay. We're just learning. We're using different techniques, but eventually you'll be able to go back and do the things that you used to be able to do. You're just learning a different way. Type accurately and use the screen reader accurately. It's going to help you help students participate in the community, work, manage their homes better, and just be able to interact with people.
The goal is for folks to be able to communicate at the same level as anybody else. So theoretically, they could get on their phone and talk with others on social media and collaborate. They can write, whatever documents they need to.